What's going on, everybody? Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with another video. Look what I have here. A beautiful 2005 titanium silver metallic on black leather BMW M3 E46 in all of its glory. I just wanted to do a quick walk around for you guys and show you the elegance and beauty of these older BMWs. Some of the newer generation forget how gorgeous these cars are. What I'm doing is just walking around the car. I want to show you very slowly the bits and pieces and every crevice of this car. You got the fender bulges there. Incredible. This is a manual transmission car. It's mint. Super low mileage. This one has about 40,000 miles on it. Look at that. The seats don't even look like they've been sat in. Car is extremely clean. Extremely clean. You got your sunroof at the top, the paint's glistening. You got your Michelins, you got 255, 35, 19s in the back, 19 by 9.5. Gorgeous. This car's been fully restored, no expense spared. Didn't need a lot of restoration because, again, it is a 2005 with super low mileage, but you know, the love had to go in there. You got your little famous M3 lip spoiler on the back, BMW emblem, your M3 badge, of course. And again, my whole reason for this video is just slowly walk around this car and just kind of go over it with you. This car was ahead of its time. Some people actually say it's the best M3 ever made. Look at the taillights, LED taillights, premium package, heated front seats. You got the Harman Kardon sound. Again, you got the 19 by 9s in the back with that fender bulge, that quarter panel just popping. Gorgeous car. Look at that. So clean. Again, no detail went unnoticed. Super clean. Can't get enough of the interior. Manual transmission, no computers, no touch screens, just pure driving enjoyment. Got the black on black stitch, got the roof like I said. Beautiful M3 mirrors. You got those fender vents, side markers, which they don't even do anymore, they put them in the mirrors. Clear side markers. You got the xenon headlights. Look at the detail. Fog lights. Everything is brand new. Look at the detail in these headlights. Again, Auto Fanatic. If you haven't already subscribed, do so. You're missing out. Gorgeous. I want everyone to just take a second and like the video if you can. Let me know what you think about this E46 M3. Look at the power bulge in the center of the hood. Beautiful. Paint is flawless. Titanium silver metallic. Got your vent up at the top. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying this video because I know I did. Thank you. Subscribe. 333 horsepower. Let's go, baby.